The next question is, how can an organization reduce or prevent work-family conflict? One of my methods to reduce or prevent work-family conflict is to know your people. Coming from a military background, it is important to know that surface level impressions will only go so far. You have to understand the person at the individual personal level. So, it is important to understand that there are different types of work-family conflicts, such as time, stress, and behavior-based conflicts. According to Greenhouse and Butel, 1985, Table 4.1, as cited in Jackson Britt 2014. Some examples of time-based would be having a set pickup and drop-off time for parents who have kids at the organizational daycare. They won't be able to work any more prior or after due to those time constraints. When it comes to stress-based conflicts, we refer to members who are unable to communicate that they have a divorce happening behind the scenes, and therefore they show a reduced level of productivity, motivation, and work ethic. An example of a behavior-based conflict would be the lack of transparency, again, from the military, where the military member and their spouse aren't able to effectively communicate, and therefore that resentment can be displaced to the organization if left unattended. So, in order to address these different types of conflicts, I will assign newcomers with a supervisor or mentor in what is known as the Family Supportive Supervisor role, according to Hammer, Cossack, Zimmerman, and Daniels 2007, as cited in Jackson Britt 2014. Having this type of supervisor will be able to achieve a level of transparency, therefore acknowledging work-family issues and role model creative strategies to manage work-family conflict. With this, I will be able to have effective communication and be able to address individual issues so that there is a sense of authenticity with how we are able to address the individual needs of every worker, whether they are old or new. From the supervisory role, we'll be able to create different methods of personal coping, as well as create separate levels of time management for the newcomer to be accustomed to. This is ultimately the goal for my organization in what is known as the Work-Family Enrichment, according to Carlson, Kackmer, Wayne, and Griswatz, 2006, as cited in Jackson Britt 2014, where it refers to a positive spillover from one role to another. Bottom line, the new member, if they feel good at home, it will be translated into their work ethic, and vice versa. Therefore, when you are having good work-family balance, you are therefore mitigating any work-family conflict to the lowest degree, and then we will be able to continue to progress from there.